Greetings, Galactics. I appreciate you sharing space with opening.rounding.
Give thanks. Life, flow, abundance. Whatever you need to release, release it with the flow of Oshun, Yemaya. Let go of that which is not serving you. Let it go with the stream. And that which you want to flow, to let flow into your life, the abundance, the good fortune, the love, the energy, the goodwill, let that flow into your life. Now close your eyes and let the sound of the stream take you on your journey.
I would like to express sincere gratitude to you for holding space, sharing space, and being here. Love and light.